Hello, it's me, and I'm gonna show you how to make a milkshake with chocolate la abuelita that looks like dust. And you need some Lala milk, only Lala, because this is the best one. And then you need to put the milk on a bowl. Like that. Go, go, go all the way, all the way. And you need to put it.
Then you need to turn on
You
the
need
fire.
some fire. Set the fire to the rain. There we go. There's the fire. Okay. And then you're gonna need the dust. The chocolate.
The fairy dust.
It's dust because it looks like dust.
Wow.
How much?
Yummy, yummy.
You need this much of chocolate. It looks like dust. Look. This doesn't.
Parece caquito de perro.
Okay, it's broken. And it's like, it's dust. Can you see it's dust? Can you see the crystals? And
Que no es mi color.
all that stuff is dust and sand
Es polvo.
and all that stuff. Okay, so we're gonna need to put some chocolate on the ball. Like that. All the way down to the ball, the dust. Now blend it. Blend it, blend it, blend it.
Wow, wow, wow. Wow, it is getting very.
Why it doesn't go pretty? It looks weird.
It looks a very good color.
Shut up. This is my recipe, so you need to shut up. It's going to look nice, I promise you guys. Shut up! Okay, this is not getting any brown. Can you see the rocks on it? Can you see the rocks? It's only rocks and dust.
Yeah, disgusting.
Actually, it tastes very good. But it's supposed the rocks needs to be like smash it. Smash it, smash it. Why doesn't it look brown? Add more chocolate. Chocolate. Dust. Dust. Okay, stop it. Stop. We're gonna blend it. Shut up! Okay. We're doing it nicely in circles to make all that rocks to smash. Shut up! Están bien orates estas personas. Okay, you're interrupting my concentration of doing smashed rocks. Shut up! I don't care. You're gonna eat it anyway. You're gonna drink it. Okay? Doesn't matter if it tastes good or not, because it's chocolate la abuelita, and you can promote us. Puedes promovernos pagándonos. Chocolate la abuelita y leche Lala, no sabe igual sin leche Lala deslactosada o sin lactosa porque somos intolerantes a la lactosa.
Compren el envoltorio chino porque si no nos sirven.
The dust with rocks. Okay, it's doing very nicely with the rocks. Why doesn't it look brown?
It looks brown.
It doesn't look brown.
Yes.
No. It doesn't look pretty. It needs to look brown.
Solo si se le muerde.
Y si ponemos Nesquik.
Sí, yo quiero mezcla. Mezcla y luego lo hacemos.
No se ve feo, no se ve eso, no se ve feo. Okay, next we're gonna need some rabbit poop.
In dust. Ew, I don't want rabbit poop.
Let's pour the poop on it. This is going to make it look brown because poop is brown. Sometimes.
Ew.
Okay, blend. Blend it. Blend it, blend it. I think it needs more like this.
Grana choco.
It's gonna
Granacita.
It's gonna taste so sweet, so chocolate. It needs to be brown. It doesn't look brown, but it needs to be brown, okay?
It is brown.
More brown.
It is brown.
I don't care. Needs to be fucking brown. Like, look, it's white.
What the fuck?
It's
Hace 5 minutos.
It's white.
¿Y si lo dejamos así?
No. The people need to see how these rocks turn into chocolate. Tastes very good. Trust me. Okay, so that was the whole how to make some chocolate milk with las Wachas.